Hello everyone and welcome back to $5 Shake. In today's video it's all about our latest homemade ice cream flavour, the lemon meringue pie ice cream. So we're going to get stuck in and show you how you can make this yourself at home. We will be posting the full recipe in the description below as well. So to start off, in a large mixing bowl, add 2 cups or 500 ml of heavy cream. If you're here in the UK, it's double cream. And in the same bowl, add in 1 cup of whole milk, full fat milk, which is about 250 ml. And after a little bit of post-production magic, we have a clean scoop. And in goes 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, which is 170 grams. Now for this particular ice cream, we have gone for a Philly style base, which is an eggless base, and it gives it a gorgeous, creamy, luxurious texture. Added now into the bowl is half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. The recipe for a standard Philly base does actually call for a full teaspoon of vanilla extract, but because we're adding in some lemon flavour in a moment, we've knocked that down to half a teaspoon. Now in with this, we're going to be adding in some non-fat powdered milk. Nick, we can't actually see what you're holding up there. Bring it a bit closer, perfect. So this is going to be 2 tablespoons of non-fat powdered milk, which acts as a stabiliser to the ice cream to prevent it from going rock solid in your freezer. And now for the lemon element of this ice cream base, where we're grating in a rind of 1 fresh lemon. And this gives it a gorgeous, subtle, fresh, lemony flavour to your base. Nothing too overpowering, because we're going to step it up a notch later on when we're assembling the ice cream into our container. All that's left to do now is whisk all your ingredients together. Nick proudly showing off his whisk. Give it a good old stir to combine. Please do check us out on our social media accounts. You'll find us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. We post exclusive content, behind the scenes, sneak peeks, all kinds of stuff, so please do get involved. At this stage, we've been chilling our ice cream maker for around 10 minutes. So when your mixture is ready, pour it into your ice cream maker and let it churn. It'll take about 30 minutes depending on your machine that you're using, until you have that beautiful soft serve consistency. And now all that's left to do is assemble your ice cream into your pre-chilled container, and we're going to be layering up the gorgeous lemon ice cream base from your ice cream maker, and then adding in some meringue and lemon curd. So start off with a good generous dollop in the bottom of your container of your ice cream. Then we're going to be mixing through some crushed French meringue. And we will be honest, we have gone for the shop-bought meringue here. We did make our own French meringue a couple of weeks ago for our Halloween video and made a lovely family of meringue ghosts, but they didn't last very long in this house. So we've had to resort to the shop-bought. On top of the meringue, we're going for a dollop of lemon curd. Again, we have gone for the shop-bought version here. It is good stuff. We usually make our own at home. It's very easy to do. A combination of fresh lemon juice, eggs, butter and sugar. But we'll blame laziness or time constraints, or heck, let's blame the lockdown. That's why we went for shop-bought on this occasion. And keep layering up. Add some more ice cream. Cram in as much of that delicious meringue and lemon curd as you can. If you are enjoying this video, please do like and subscribe to our channel. We will be making a lot of delicious homemade ice creams for you going forward. Some classic flavours, some possibly weird and wonderful ones in there as well. We've got dairy-free, vegan recipes in the making, some gorgeous Christmas ones that we're planning as well. So please do like and subscribe to keep up to date with all our latest videos. And at the end of November, we're actually going to be using this ice cream that we're making here today in one of our milkshakes. So please do also look out for that one. It's going to be amazing. Thank you very much for joining us today. Hope you join us for the next one.